ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Demons Designs. Today we are building a fireplace in this corner. And it's going to be going through the roof. So it's going to be a fun build, exciting build, because this is not a very straight corner. It's going to be awkward angles and different heights and everything like that. And as you can see here, and this is all the material for it. We have 2mm sheeting, we have 2mm expansion sheet for the grill, 100mm tubing for the chimney, 38mm square tubing for the legs. So yeah, this is going to be an exciting build. Keep on the lookout for it, and we'll keep you updated as we go. Thanks guys.